Welcome back. We'll focus on embedded option right now. So you will have three different tools on the left. First, I'm going to select a geometry. So I will use the started content. I will go to the shapes and I will select this shape narrow capsule. Drag and drop into your level. We can move it and rotate. And I want it to collide with our GC. As well, I'm going to create the planar cut. Let's create two of them. Okay, our GC is ready. When I simulate, it actually breaks. Now let's move our geometry. So the first one I'm going to keep inside of our geometry collection and I'm going to duplicate it. So we'll have two meshes in our scene. Okay, so we have multiple options to select. So if I select both of them and I go to the left, now you will see auto option, which basically embeds selection static meshes as passive geometry parented to the nearest bones. So you remember in the previous lecture, we actually drag and drop one leaf node, which created embedded object, right? And it was highlighted on green. The same situation we have here. If you go to the outliner right now, you can select these two static meshes because basically these tools copy them. So they are no longer static meshes, they are part of our chaos system. So when you select your grid wall, your geometry collection, and you use explode amount preview, you will see they are actually connected with the specific bone. If I simulate, you will see they will react. But what you need to know about embedded meshes? The physical functions are completely disabled for them. So they are part of your scene, but they don't react like a physical object. You can find it very useful, especially if you want to create, let's say, elements of the wall after fracture. Another option is the flash option. So if I select the flash option, I can also extract these elements back again as a static meshes. So let's delete the two capsules from our level and select this option, extract a static mesh. So I will flash embedded geometry, but in the same time, I actually extracted. So in the outliner, you will see them again as a static meshes. Okay, let's just move the one mesh. I deleted the second one. Let's just move it over and try embedded option right now. How can we do it? So we have third option, which is embed selected static mesh as passive geometry parented to selected bone. So now we need to basically select the bone. So as you can see, I already click embed. So we have grid wall. Again, it was created as a copy. So we need to delete the static mesh. And once I simulate, it will stick to the position just exactly like before. So as a reminder, by using flash option, you will basically delete the changes and still you can extract your meshes if you want. Okay, let's do it again, but this time I'm not going to extract. I'm going just to delete it. So as you notice, it just disappeared from our level completely.